Just wait before you go. Your order is not complete. Before you go, I want you to consider taking our crypto mastery course. In our crypto mastery course, we want you to be an independent crypto trader. That is why we want you to take this particular course, because you as a crypto trader, if you want to be a profitable and a successful crypto trader, you need to be able to know how to spot those good cryptocurrencies on your own. And how could you be able to do this? You could be able to do this if you can do fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is quite necessary in your crypto trading journey, because without fundamental analysis, you don't have the ability to tell if a certain cryptocurrency is worth investing in for either short term, long term, or mid term. So we want to show you all the things you need to understand about tokenomics, all the things you need to understand, potentials in cryptocurrencies that would make a certain cryptocurrency do 100x from your investment price. We want to show you how to sit on your own and research the crypto market and be able to tell which of the cryptocurrencies to pick out of about 17,000 other cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And also, we are going to show you some cryptocurrencies we consider worth investing in for both short term, mid term, and long term. That is not all. We want to give you a bonus of free trading signals for straight 3 months interval, and in these 3 months we are going to give you both spot and futures trading signals for totally free, and you are going to have to subscribe once 3 months is elapsed. Tell me why you wouldn't love to take this course. Tell me why. And this course goes for just $297. With just $297, we are going to add you to our crypto mastery course group, where you get to interact with like-minded persons. You are going to get to connect with other crypto traders. You are going to get to learn a whole lot about cryptocurrencies. And from time to time, because cryptocurrency is all about trend, you are going to be getting updates and you are going to be getting support on this particular group, because we care about your growth in your cryptocurrency trading and investments journey. So make sure you click on the button now to take this course now. I will see you inside. Goodbye.